queens, welcome back to the channel. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey kings and queens. Hey guys, how y'all doing? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for stopping back by your girl's channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking the link to this channel and considering, adding me to your subscription list. Like, sweetie, thank you. Okay, so first things first, y'all, I don't got my co-host today. Like, she gonna be in the next video. She gonna be in the cast stuffing video. She gonna be here for your girl. But this is a budget with me video, and guys, yeah, I know I said I wasn't gonna do these no more, but I was like, you know what? I'm just do it for the holidays, cause I'm a chameleon. I be changing up all the time. So yeah, but if you guys do like this video and you do like the things here on this channel, I hope you consider subscribing and join the fam. Yeah, the goal of 2021 is to hit 1K subscribers, point blank, period. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and thank you for your consideration in subscribing. So without further ado, because the long intro, let's get into the video. Like I said, I told myself, little baby, we ain't gonna do this no more, but look where we at, okay? But this is gonna be real quick because my Paycheck 1 and Paycheck 2 is literally based off of my monthly December budget. So if you guys have not seen that, I will put a link below, and then once we complete this complete December, then we'll fill out and see where everything went, boom bada bang. So for this paycheck, I did get an amount of $1,051.95. So your girl made $150.95 more than she thought she was gonna make. So yes, ma'am, show deed. So how am I gonna break that up, right? So for my fixed expenses for this month, I am doing car fuel and Merrick, which is my dad's. You guys know. If you are an oldie but goodie, if you're new, Merrick is my dad. He prefers me calling him by his first name, so that's what I do. Car fuel is getting this usual $25, and y'all, I'm below half a tank. Who am I? Normally, I don't let my car go below half a tank at all. I know about some people, but that's how my dad, aka my stepdad, taught me or told me to do it. So my gas is below half, and I don't know who I am, but we need to fix that real quick. So anyways, $25 is for car fuel. My dad Merrick gets $98. You guys already know I sent him money based on my, check-in that I posted. So if you guys haven't seen that too, go check it out. But my fixed expenses came up to a total of $123. Cool. $123. I'm cool with that. Then we move over to once we get it right, variable expenses. So variable expenses this time is shorter than this amount because some of these dropped off, little baby, because we already fully funded them on the paycheck number 1. So my variable expenses this month, okay? So for tides based off 10% off of what I actually get paid. So it was $90 budgeted, but it's actually $110 because $105 would have been what it is, and I just rounded up to the next $10. Boom, bada bang, it's okay. All right, so $110 is for tithing. Then my royalty crown, yes ma'am, that is my hair. Sometimes she has a little problem, but guys, still keep her in check. So she needs to $60 to make up to her $160 for the month. So that's what I gave her. So she's not getting nothing extra. Toiletries only needed $5. So that's what they get in. Household only needed $10. So that's what they get in. Allowance is getting its $100, which is now normal. And little baby, let me tell you, this $100 does everything for my life for the next 2 weeks. And I am here for it. Going out gets $20. Miscellaneous gets $16. Chiropractor gets $30. Massage and facials gets $5. And right now I'm budgeted is getting $322. The 95 cents is going towards saving because y'all know I don't, we don't do that send thing. I just move it automatically into savings. And yeah, the $322 is what I use. So it says I'm budgeted, but it's really savings, and I don't feel like writing down savings in another block. So what's understood doesn't need to be said, So it is what it is. And then waxing and laser, I didn't have that on my December budget. However, karma, sis, it's still a thing. And yeah, so I just separated it. It's okay. I'll figure out where to put it. I'll probably put it in like miscellaneous when I'm doing the December budget. But yeah, that's $80. That's usually what it is for me to get my wax and for them to do ingrown hairs and all that. Might be TMI, but you know, boom, bada bang. So I'd expected a total of $607 budgeted, but my actual came out to $758.95, which gave me the $151.75 more that is right here. Now we got to flip over to the back to get to our sinking funds. And so this is my sinking funds, which just like last week where we had, you know, a bunch more, this week we only have the main ones that we need. And honestly, I didn't even need the fourth one because we had already completed putting in money for the 52-week challenge for this month. That's why I was able to close it out. And if you guys have not seen that video, go check it out. Listen, y'all getting all the references today, baby, today. So anyways, home is getting its usual $75. Well, now it's usual because we increased it because, you know, we closer to leaving. So, you know, girls got to get it together. Then travel is getting $75, which that's been normal. Car maintenance getting its $20, which that's been normal. And like I said, 52-week challenge, it already got its little $400 from the monthly. So we ain't putting nothing towards that. And I'm cool with it. So these combined as a total of $170, and that's it. That's what's actually going to actual. And so yeah, bada boom, bada bang. So when we come down to our totals right here, for income, we budgeted $900, but we're getting $1,051.95 with an extra of $151.95. Our fixed expenses came up to $123. It is $123 that we're actually giving to fixed expenses. Our variable expenses came up to $607 that we budgeted, but our actual was $758.95, and that is $151.95. And then our sinking funds is $170, and our actual is $170. So as you guys can see, all of this was zeroed out. All this came to zero, and then we had $151 for income, and then we added that $151.95 extra as well in variable expenses. So it's accounted for in that zero. So like I said, guys, I didn't plan to do this because I said I wasn't gonna do them no more. But little baby, you know, I'm a chameleon. I be changing my mind every 2 seconds. It also might be the Gemini in me. But you know what? It is what it is, baby. But anyways, if you guys did like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, and a hoe. Or actually just a foe. And also, if you do enjoy the content on this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Again, this is your girl, Anique Anna K. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. I'm out.
How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.